Gavumenti ya Uganda kurabira Ministry y'obuhingi n'oburisa ne kutandikaho za demonstration farm ekirize kuhera beji b'amashomero hamwe n'abarambuzi babwenaho kwegera baba bagira mu kurambura eby'obuhingi hamwe n'oburisa ari mu Buku Irrigation Settlement Scheme.
Ministry n'ekimanya kandi omubwire buke twenda kwija tukasesinga then twaheza koragana na leadership ya district tukaroketinga amataka tukagahereza abantu officially bakatandika kuhinga.
We have resolved that a process to have the demonstration farms established is going to be embarked on immediately so that those school children and other visitors who come to the irrigation scheme can have somewhere to learn from.
Abahingi bono bagira ngo abeji kuba bizire kurambura begero mu Misiri y'abahingi.
Nyondi miredo kurebyange nomanye ndibata yabana tibakwegendesereza bagera mu kubagenzera ira ndibata batandi bakora kibintu kiri.
Ekizwe cya kabiri ebitakulu no bogo bundi bugenda mu hano twine kitweta crop rotation ntiyale dukredi pocheri bicholi hati takarya hano yitwa abalimi nyo practically nyo ebitakuli na soyabine ne bigari takaryange obundu kuyale ebitakuli mukama wange ebitakuli unavaza myezegi itakale garuka yincho badataka kintu kindi nikija kurundi hati abakusimba bintu byara ebitakuli habuka ndi cyo kule kisoko byana hano kiyonka.
Yasin Tumwine ori director w'ekitongole cha Director for National Youth Organization for Development nagira ngo government yabahereza ekazi 15 zitaka betegere kutahoza demonstration farms.
To take a state of art demonstration farms ezabantu bona bararugombichwe kabyona byenseji bakayiza bakagira ngo twareba abantu abakore kibakumanya kandi bakusomesa abantu ekikire kandi bakufuna production ekurugombicho ebibakora.
Engineer Titus Nwamanya or principal engineer o ministry ya mizino by'obuhangwa nagira ngo ministry ne kugaruke gabira abatura itaka mu Buku Irrigation Scheme,
and we hope that work is going to be done so that when students come here they don't go to learn from farmers gardens.
Na naba bana bagraduatinga ku rugoma masomero tukaboreka ngo agriculture ne business nungi agro business eine chain nyingi ezukurwa mu sente tukakibakundisa kandi tukuimplementinga government program ya lower secondary curriculum haba bana bakusomera mu field batakisomera mu class.
For those of you who have been to other irrigation schemes apart from engineering, because it moves around the country, when you go to Kutaho, for example, Doho scheme and these others, and you see how their funding is organized, for sure, Wazayo, you are a tourist, not even when you're from, but as a tourist, you enjoy being in the Doho. So we want that Mubuku also gets that status, that somebody should yearn to come to Mubuku.
Gasha Gilbert Muhanguzi.